I'm Ian Blackburn. I'm the host of Wine LA, merchantofwine.com, learnaboutwine.com, and a lot of other .coms. I do wine education for a living, and I'm a huge supporter of the Coravin device. I've believed in this thing since day one, and they just upgraded the whole line. I'm here talking about all of the different devices. I got a different video for each unit, and right now we're going to talk about the Unit 11. This is like, dun dun, strike the music. This is their ultimate high-end electronic version, and it's pretty killer. This thing, you gotta plug it in, give it a little power. You can use it on your iPhone to set how much wine you want to allow it to pour. And there's little things that you can learn about the device and the upgrades and stuff like that that you get by owning the Coravin 11. Now this is the most expensive of the units. You got the unit number 3, which is all you need, about $200, and this is gonna pay for itself very quickly. The unit 5, a little bit more. Unit 6, a little bit more than that, but it comes with some added bells and whistles and extra stuff. And then you get to the Unit 11. And I'll save the price points for later because those may change, but this is the ultra premium device for the person in wine that has everything. This is really cool and fun. So I've charged my unit, so I'm gonna wake it up and just say, hello. Oh, look, the blue light came on. That means it's ready to go. It's got gas. If it runs out of gas, it is a red light. Uh-oh. And here we go. We're going to now talk about how to use this. This, by the way, has the gas canister right in the handle, just like the other units, okay? You put it right on top of your bottle of wine, you slide it down, and they developed this fancy clasp, which worked really well, so they put the same clasp on all of the Coravins now, but this is the fanciest looking. This just kind of reminds me of Darth Vader a little bit. It's got that sleek, hard, black plastic look. Okay, so we're gonna slide this down a little bit right into the bottle. Just, it kind of goes like a knife through butter. And it's really easy to get it into the cork now, and it's ready to go. Now it went from blue to green, green meaning go, and I've set it to pour just a little taste, and no pump, no nothing. I'm just gonna lean it over, and here it comes. And that's a measured pour. You could tell it how much you want it to pour, and it will stop automatically when it gets to that amount. Isn't that fascinating? So it's stopping. I'm gonna lean it back. And if, I'm thinking, I'm actually feeling like having a glass of that. So I'm gonna click it over to the glass mode. And now I'm gonna lean it over, and it's gonna give me a little bit more. Now you can change the settings on both of these so that your little taste is only an ounce, and maybe your glass is 3 ounces. I'm not even sure how many ounces this is. This might actually fill the entire glass, I'm not sure. But this Coravin 11 is just kind of that automated, super fun, and I can feel it saying, okay, we're gonna keep going until you want me to stop. So I'm gonna lean it back. It'll just stop because by leaning the bottom of the bottle down below the top, it'll just close the valve. Super cool. This one comes with a little metal handle that I learned a couple things about today. We're gonna lift this up. Okay, now the cork's out of the bottle. You can just take this off and you're done. And what's kind of cool about this new handle thing is you just twist it, and then it'll pull up, and out comes the needle. And you can really wash this thing up. You can clean the needle. It's got a little filter on there. And you get it down into the unit, give it a little twist, like that. Okay, and now you're back in business, all cleaned up and ready to go. Let's get some more wine. We'll just throw it right back on the device, push it right back down into the same cork again. I'm replacing the volume with air, and that thing's just gonna automatically start to go when it's ready, and it measures the wine, pulls it out. I got a nice big glass of wine, no effort, super nice, super clean. Pull this out, you're all done. And that's the new 11 model. I'm gonna enjoy my Moulin Avant, and I wanna thank you guys for enjoying my video. I hope you'll purchase a Coravin. We have a code down below. It'll save you a little bit of money, and we get a little commission for referring you. Or you can buy the unit on my website at merchantofwine.com. Thank you very much. You have a fantastic wine in your life, and live life well, my friends. Stay healthy.